Hello and welcome back to another Healing Hikes adventure for this week. Last week we went to Churchill Island and we did the walk around the island. We showed you all the activities and shows. So after the video, make sure you check that one out. So we're just walking alongside Badger Creek now, and at the sound of the running water, it's just, like, it is just breathtaking. Like, look at this view that's right in front of me. How beautiful is that? Like, just to be able to go through here. And then there's the water. This is beautiful. So I'm about to show you the man-made waterfall at Badger Weir, but there's this huge, massive pine tree that reminds me of Muir Woods in California, where we've actually done a hike at the ancient pine trees in California. It is just so breathtaking, and it's along the creek here, so hearing that water is just so nice. So yeah, we're actually walking up some stairs now. There's probably about 30 stairs. So please note that there are the stair access here. And we're now walking along a small little creek that's just running off overflow bit from another dam, which is a bit further up, which I will show you. Oh, we've got the 6 weeks walking in Europe coming up as well, so make sure you subscribe not to miss that. That's coming up at the end of April, so it's not too long until we depart for that. We're going to be walking in Montenegro, Greece, Italy, Spain, Turkey, Poland, in Zakopane. I'm probably missing a few Also at the end of the month, we've got the 100-kilometre walk for the Great Aussie Hike. So yeah, if you subscribe, do a little notification bell, give us a like. It really helps the channel grow and connect with more people, because I really want to help people, you know, talk about their mental health and also the benefits of walking in nature and how they work together. And obviously show you places from the seat of your couch, whether you're in another country or you're based in Melbourne and you need a bit of inspiration. There are these old abandoned ranger huts just here in the background. Let's have a look. All right, storage facility and some kind of sleeping shelter or just day working hut. Oh, there's a fireplace, a shelf, floorboards. There you go. It's probably 4 by 4 meters, not too bad. All right, let's get back on the trail. At the start of the year, we did Rubicon State Forest and we did a man-made waterfall there that was absolutely massive, and you have to check it out after this video. It was so breathtaking. So similar to here, we have the Weir Dam wall, which is a man-made waterfall, and this aqueduct. So the reservoirs or the dams around here is the Maroondah Dam, the Sugarloaf Dam, and the Upper Yarra Reservoir, which runs into the Yarra River. So yep, pretty soon we're coming up to the dam wall and I'll show you that one. Oh, well, that's the end of the walk. Thank you so much for joining us this week for another Healing Hikes adventure. So join us next week when we go on a big adventure all the same. I hope you're all well and happy hiking.